Jason, are you eating your food? Show him how to stab it. And then he put it in his mouth. Don't put it back up.
What?
I'm videotaping this and you put it back on the table.
It's fine. Look.
I'm gonna do it myself, Daddy. I'll just use my hands. Jacob, what are you doing? Are you cleaning?
Clean it.
You clean it?
I'm cleaning it.
Okay, thank you. Why don't you come sit down and eat breakfast? Close it.
I'm cleaning it, Mommy.
Okay, thank you. Let's go eat breakfast. Look, show how to do it. Show Jason how to do it. Please. Look, show him. Show him how to use a fork. Look, Jason. Look, Jason. Yay. Did you see Jacob do it? Show him again. Show him again. Good job, Bubba. Oh, I didn't exactly want that on camera. Why'd you spit that out? Okay, show Jason how to do it again. Please. Okay, Jacob, your turn. Jason, your turn. Show Jason how to do it. All right. Now, say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Say it. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Say it. Hi, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Say hi, everybody. Jason, say hi, everybody.